Just talking about the negotiation competition.
Okay, guess what? I just found out that we need to make a video for our Warsaw negotiation rounds.
Really?
Yeah.
What sort of video?
The basic idea, I think, is to introduce us to the other teams who are coming. Remember, there are 11 other teams who are coming.
Right. Okay.
So I think it'll be like an icebreaker session dancing.
Yeah. I'm trained dancer for 10 years.
I can show them a video of my dance.
That would be a good idea. So I guess we have a rough idea of what we want to say, right? So let's meet in the evening.
Sure.
Yeah. Better rush to class now. Bye. Hey Ashmi, what got you into this whole negotiation business first?
Initially, we really didn't have a good idea as to what negotiation meant. But then we had this clinical course on alternative dispute resolution mechanisms in our third year. And after that course, I think we gained a lot of exposure as to what all these ADR methods were and how important they are in India and stuff like that. What do you say?
Yeah, we did in class also. We did a lot of mediation, negotiation exercises. We witnessed like other people taking part in the same, and then we also took part in the university rounds for negotiation as client counsel. And generally, we developed interest in because we had done a course. We gathered some knowledge.
You must have taken part in a lot of simulation exercises. Huh?
Yeah, right. We did that.
And I also think negotiation is very relevant for the current manner in which the justice system is working in India, don't you think? I mean, we keep on hearing about how the courts are so clogged up, and sometimes it's about the whole aspect of bespoke justice which we've been hearing about in the news, right? How people might not always want to go before the trial, and sometimes there are alternative dispute resolution mechanisms which are more apt in particular scenarios. So I think negotiation is very relevant for our professional life as well. So I'm guessing this competition will give us a glimpse into what to expect.
Definitely, and I think we can also utilize this opportunity we're getting in Warsaw to actually make a difference in India itself. So maybe we'll try to get in more ADR into the work we do or the clients we handle in future, something like that.
Some people are not familiar with the method, so at least we can gain as more knowledge we gain, we can get that information.
Yeah. So we gain advantage from the intercultural aspect of the entire negotiation through the experience.
This itself is like mini India.
Exactly.
Endless unique. Yeah, with so many students from all over India. Anyway, so I'll see you in the group for the
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Reva Mitlali. I'm in my final year of law school right now. I love working for the children and
Hello everybody, my name is Ashwini and I study in the 4th year of National Law School.
Hi, I'm Pandya Patrai and I'm a fitness student in National Law School.
then we worked on making a documentary on the children of Devdasis, who are basically temple dancers. Part of the Law and Society Committee over here in the National Law School, and this committee basically engages with a lot of social legal work. We deal with issues relating to the interface between law and society, and we also run and publish a student-edited peer-reviewed journal called Social Legal Review, of which I'm a part of the editorial board as well. Talking about my interests, I love reading. I just finished the Sherlock Holmes series right now, a few days back. I am also into music. I love listening to music, but I can't sing, unfortunately.
Apart from the Law and Society Committee that Rita spoke about earlier, there's another committee called the Legal Services Clinic in National Law School, which I'm a part of. I'm a member of the Legal Services Clinic. And what we do basically is to spread legal awareness and also provide free legal aid to people who are in need of it. So what I like to do best is to interact with all these people, new people who I get to meet along the committee and on the job. And that's one of the things I like to do. Another thing I'd really like to do is dance. And classical dance is, I've been learning classical dance since I was a kid. And I've been dancing for 12 years now. And Bharatanatyam, the name of the dance is Bharatanatyam, which originated in Tamil Nadu, and I've been dancing, yes, and I love emoting on stage.
I've worked under the Center for Child and Law and assisted them in organizing Human Rights Day celebrations, and we've visited schools nearby, conducted competitions even in law school campus during Human Rights Day celebration.
Hi, so hope the video gave you a snapshot of the team from the National Law School Bangalore, us. And now we're really looking forward to watching the rest of your videos.
And of course, negotiating was